Hi, I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to talk about mustard seeds. Now, mustard seeds have been used by humans for centuries, thousands of years, and there are many varieties of mustard seeds. Some are black, some are brown, and some are white, and there are small ones called rye, but all the mustard seeds have pretty much same benefits. Mustard seeds are extremely beneficial, and they're like little gems from heaven. So mustard seeds are available in powder form, and some are prepared mustard. People eat them with their food or sandwiches. And we in India, we grind the mustard seed, and then we put some spices in it, especially red chili pepper, and then we cook our vegetables by using 1 teaspoon, sometimes tablespoon, and we cook fish with mustard seeds. It tastes really awesome. So mustard seeds are loaded with amazing health and beauty benefits. A lot of people do not know about beauty benefits of mustard seeds. So mustard seed, the small ones called rye, usually we use that for amazing looking skin. So what needs to be done is you can wash your mustard seed and then put it under the sun and dry it, which is really hard to get nowadays. Sun have become the precious commodity. Nobody's getting sunshine, so we dry it in the sun. If you don't have sun, then you can spread it on your baking pan and just keep it inside the oven, but don't need to run the oven. Just keep it inside couple of days, and after you wash it and drain out the water, and it will get dried. After that, you need to take a pan and put few pinch of oil, olive oil preferably, and then you just roast it little bit slightly so it become like crunchy. Now that one we make powder and use it with turmeric and chickpea flour, and we use red lentil flour, and that becomes a really beauty mask, which we use it over 2-3 months before wedding, pre-wedding mask. And then somebody uses this on a regular basis. They put it on, wait 30 minutes to an hour, and then wash it off with some warm water and some cloth, like a small towel, face towel. So people do like that on a regular basis before wedding. They put it all over their body too. Then the skin becomes really beautiful, glossy, shiny, and spotless. So it's amazing for our skin, and they are very useful, amazing looking. They give like very beautiful, amazing looking skin. And beside that, mustard seeds have been used thousands of years for in the cooking for health purposes, because these little seeds are loaded with vitamin, minerals, and nutrients. Those are really beneficial for us. So let's see the long list of benefits. So we use the mustard oil for massaging the body, and it keeps the skin really smooth and shiny and good. And we massage the baby with mustard oil, which makes the baby strong and healthy. In India, people make mustard seed pillow to put the baby to sleep, so that baby's head becomes round. Mustard seeds are full of vitamin, minerals, and antioxidant. Mustard seeds Leaves are also used like spinach. We cook them like a spinach and eat them, and they are also full of vitamin, minerals, and fibers. Leaves are used in cooking. They usually cook like a spinach, and these leaves are loaded with vitamin, minerals, and antioxidants, and they are rich in fiber, selenium, manganese, and magnesium. Mustard seeds are amazing to heal from any digestive problems. That it improves digestion and relieves gas, bloating, and constipation. It cleans the digestive tract with fiber in it. And mustard seeds are very helpful for those suffering from migraines and headaches. And these seeds, like people have migraines or headache, they can just take half a teaspoon of mustard seed in their mouth and chew it and drink a glass of water. These seeds are rich in manganese and magnesium, so they are really very soothing to our digestive system, and they also are good for muscle cramps like people have called Charlie's horse. At nighttime they get a serious cramp in their leg or in their calf. If they use mustard seeds like 1 teaspoon and chew it daily, so they wouldn't get that. And they are good for reducing pain, strain in different parts of the body. Mustard seeds are usually used to cook fish in India, and because they can significantly boost the omega-3 content in the fish. Mustard seeds prevents cancer by they are stopping the cancer cells from multiplying, so that's how they prevent cancer. Mustard seeds have components like glucosamines and myosin, so these are good for. So mustard seed had glucosinolase and myrosinase. They are phytochemicals to prevent the growth of cancer causing cells in the body.